show you how to install, use, set up, and use Surfshark VPN. First of all, you need to go to their website, surfshark.com. And here you got products, pricing, and download. So you go to your pricing. This is where all your prices are. I would suggest getting a 24-month plan. It's cheaper, and get the most popular one. That's the best one. Once you're signed up, go there, sign up. Once you're signed up, go to the download. I'll show you how to download and install the VPN on your device. Go to download. Down here it says download app. Click on that. It'll download on your device. Once it's downloaded, I'll show you how to use it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Surfshark. We're going to go to the search bar. Go to apps. I'm using the on device. Go to search. Type in Surfshark. Type in Surfshark. Type in Surfshark space VPN. Click OK. Go. So this is the easiest way to install it on your device. Click Surfshark. Click install. Open it. Click on login. Now you should have a Surfshark on your computer, the PC, or on your phone. You're gonna have to. You can log in either through your email password, or you can go through your code. I use the code because I have it on my phone. Click on code. Get that code. You need to put that code in your app, in your settings, where you add user. So in settings, you go to login, password, account, login, okay. Login with code. You're gonna enter the code. Let's see. Okay, added user. Okay, now it's working. Now we're gonna show you how to use it. We want to go to US. Scroll down to US. It's better to go to US. It's better. It's preferable. Works better. Unlocks GO. Unlocks everything, and it keeps your provider from watching what you're doing. It's always good to have VPN. Go to US. Where's okay, US, we go to, let's see here. Let's go to Detroit. Click on Detroit. Okay, it says connected to Detroit. So there you go. That's how you use Surfshark VPN. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date. And I'll new videos coming out every week. Thank you. See you soon.